MLB The Show's coverage of minor league baseball is on the air as we continue our tour around the minor league. Today we've got a good matchup ahead between the Biloxi Shuckers and the Pensacola Blue Wahoos. And let's also get a brief look at our two starting pitchers as you see how they stack up right there. Nick Massey will stand in as we show you the numbers for his last 8 ball games, and he continues to be as hot as anyone on the ball club. He's ready now. The pitch. Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. Throw on to second for the force, and the side is retired. An inning in the books, no score here on the show. Catfish Brown will dig in for the first time now. He's got that average up nearing the 340 mark to begin play. First offering on the way. He goes with the slider that time, and it's driven to deep right field. And it's gone. He liked the first pitch he saw and deposits it over the wall. And Steve, what a nice moment that is for him. His first home run as a Double-A player.
Yeah, and you always like to get those firsts out of the way. But the first home run, well, that's kind of extra special for any hitter. This is exactly the kind of production that this team's going to be looking for from him as he moves up through the minor leagues.
Howie Cleary will stand in, hoping to get things turned around here in April as he enters play with an average down in the 220s.
Hey, strike this guy out. Let's go. Get yourself right here. Let's go, baby.
Here comes a 2-2. Oh, double play ball to second. 4, 6, 3, and they turn the double play.
Batting 7th, center fielder, Miles James.
Randy Houck makes his way to the plate to get us started here in the bottom of inning number 3. Here's the pitch. Fastball hit on the ground to short. And no chance on the throw here as he reaches first easily.
And here's a situation where, heck, just make contact. Put the ball in play. You never know. Winds up beating this ball out.
Catfish Brown will stand in now to get us going here in the 4th.
Shortstop, Catfish Brown.
Here's the first offering. High and tight here to begin the inning. It's ball 1.
Hey, make it yours. Let's go, boys. Let's go.
The 1-0 pitch.
Now, here we go, guys.
Out of play off to the right. It's 1-1. Here's the 1-1. And they'll go off speed here as this pitch misses. It's 2-1. And this is something we've seen a lot from him recently. He's worked his way into another good hitter's count.
Yeah, it's not unrelated either. When you're going good at the plate, usually means you're being selective and you're not getting yourself out. And when that happens, you'll find yourself in these kind of counts.
Here he comes on 2-2. This is offered at in the dirt for strike 3. Just needs to make that easy throw to first. Throw on to first is in time to get him, so that'll go down as a strikeout and a 2-3 putout for out number 1.
Yeah, a nice job behind the plate. He wants it low, so he's got a good idea that this ball might be in the dirt, so he's able to smother it and then make the strong throw to first.
Catfish Brown will dig in now. The 6th man to bat in the inning with still nobody out.
And it's been sort of a domino effect here in this half inning. Nobody wants to be the first guy to make an out, and so far, nobody has.
Come on, baby. Hey, be patient. Get your pitch, huh? Come on, sitting on something here.
First pitch coming.
All right, boy, all right. Here we go.
Now a ball slapped hard the opposite way. And that's in there. Base hit. 1 run scores. And the 2nd run is in. It's now a 5-1 game.
And he continues to be a big part of their attack. 2 more RBIs on the plate. That gives him 3 for the ball game, and they push that lead out a little wider.
Javier Feliz will stand in. 2 hits in 2 trips thus far.
Go out. Here we go. That's on the pond. Get it done. Hey, let's get a 2 ball, huh?
Now here's the first pitch. And a fastball in the dirt that's taken for a ball.
And now this is all about minimizing damage out there on the mound. He's got to regroup, and he's got to do it quick, or this game will get away from him.
Some action out in the bullpen. Couple of right-handers starting to loosen up.
Right here. Let's turn 2.
Here's the 1-0. And a strike to even the count. 1-1.
Yeah, he needed that one. Something to give him a little bit of confidence.
You hang till you bang it, kid. Here you go. Hey, double him up. Let's go.
There we go. Hold him right here.
Oh, and he breaks, and they've got him picked off. And it's in time. He's out at second as a good relay gets him. Edgar Ramirez will stand in now. He flew out in his first time around and then was a strikeout victim last time. Here comes a 1-2. Now a swing and a bouncing ball toward the hole. In time to first, and there are 2 away.
The batter, 3rd baseman, Eduardo Diaz.
Eduardo Diaz will stride in. He singled in his last plate appearance. Ready now on 1-1. That's on the ground to short. This should end the inning. And indeed it will. He throws him out at first, and the side is retired. Pretty painless half of the inning, all told. We're through 5 here at the ballpark, and the visitors are out in front here, 5-1. Eddie Calderon will get the call here as he'll start the 6th inning on the mound.
Number 13.
Sean Gonzalez will stand in. He flew out his last time up.
Hey,
Both teams with 6 hits so far. Sets the 2-2 pitch. Ground ball to second. This could be 2. The second for 1, and the relay won't nearly be in time as he's there easily.
Yeah, you know, a double play there was always going to be a stretch, and that's where you just take that force out at second, get the lead runner, and then say, you know what, thank you very much.
Randy Houck will get another shot now, 2 for 3 in the game.
Hey, grounder right here.
Let's go, kid. Here we go.
No outs here, fellas.
He's ready. Now the pitch. Swing hard liner to left center, and he'll have himself a base hit.
Oh, yeah, he's got that magic wand going now. That's his 3rd hit in 4 trips, all of them singles. He's been a tough out all game long.
Eduardo Diaz will dig in now, and he'll do so representing the tying run.
Yeah, and you're not too worried about this guy jumping the yard on you here and tying the ball game. But if he does find a way to get on base, things get a whole lot more interesting.
Seventh inning here in a 5-1 ball game. He's set. Now the pitch. A swing, and he pops him up on the infield, and the infield fly rule will be in effect here.
We showed you his numbers a minute ago. It's still early in the season to be worrying too much, but he's definitely off to a slow start. So he's going to need to string together a few good outings to lower that ERA a little bit.
Catfish Brown will stand in here hoping to duplicate what he did back in the 2nd inning. We flash you back to take another look at his solo home run that helped get this offense rolling. A little tardy there. No balls and a strike. Now the pitch. And a curveball that he didn't get on top of there. It's 1-1.
Yeah, after that last swing, I would have thought they'd go right back in, but that's actually not a bad location because I doubt he was looking for something out there.
Tried to hold up there. Appeal down to first, and no swing. It's ball 2. Here's the 2-1 pitch. Out of play. Here's the 2-2 offering. Struck him out, so he's set down on strikes for the 2nd time today. Now a hard liner toward short. And that's in there, so perhaps some life here with 2 men out.
Well, this looks like one of those swings where it was just a flat-out yes. This is not one of those guys where you can sit off speed and then just react to the fastball. You're not going to just react to 98. But give him credit however he did it. He put a good swing on that ball.
game all in all, so if we have to choose one who stood out among all others, why not go with this man right here? He's our top player of the game.
Yeah, you see a couple of hits for him in the ball game. This one was tight throughout, but in the end, he really helped lead his guys to this victory.
So that just about does it. For EK, Psycho, and the crew, I'm Matt Vasgersian. You've been watching MLB The Show. For more, get those smartphones and tablets out and head over to theshownation.com. It's a win for the visiting club here.
That's definitely by design. He's such a good fastball hitter.